All right, what I'm going to do is show you when you're starting to do your measurements with the machine. It could be first thing in the morning or whatever, the machine setup. Now right now what you'll notice is that there's nothing on the table right now. The machine is indicating red. If you check the computer SizeIt, it will show you that there's actually a negative weight on there. So the first thing we have to do before we do measurements, to get accurate measurements, is we have to zero the machine. So there's nothing on the platform, we zero the machine. There's 0 showing there, and what we can see is the display is showing 0. Now the other thing we're going to do, when people do it, it's up to them. A lot of people do it at the beginning of the shift before they move, is the lens calibration. And what the lens does when it's doing its calibration is it is looking for any flaws or anything that's moved onto it, and it integrates it into the dimensional measuring. And what we do is we say, okay, let's clean the lens off, let's get the calibration right down. So with the table empty, what we do is we just take a cloth and wipe the lens. And in the factory, of course, you can get a lot of stuff accumulating. It'll still measure. The difference is the speed at which it's measuring will be affected by the amount of dirt and everything it has to look through. So now that we've got the lens wiped down, we go into our options. I will also show how to do this in the next link on using the LCD controller. I'm going here now to calibration, and we push the button for calibrate. Now you can see this thing says it's calibrating. If we pan up here to the machine, you can actually monitor its progress by looking at the LEDs. And each of the LEDs flashing represents a bank. And there are 4 banks. So you'll see 4 different cycles of flashing. And when the cycle of flashing is finished, the unit is calibrated. Now the only thing we have to do now is, as you pull out, what we recommend is that you turn the machine off and you turn the machine back on again, and when you finish the lens calibration, just to make sure everything is latched in. So now the machine is starting, and now you're ready to start your measurements for the day.